Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I'm doing a challenge put out by Terry at the Tappingflamingo called School Days. And I know there's a lot of ways you could go at this, but this is my take. When I was a kid, every September I got a new wardrobe. When I was very young, my sister used to make my clothes, and when I was in high school, I made my own clothes. Let me tell you, I never dreamed I would be making doll clothes past my childhood that were a mess, of course, because I was learning. Nor did I think I would ever make Barbie clothes, and here I am making smaller than Barbie clothes with the Blythe dolls. And what I'd like to do is encourage you to put yourself in School Days. Put yourself, for all of you out there that say to me all the time, I wish I could sew. I wish I could make my fill-in-the-blank doll an outfit. Usually it's Blythe. And you know what? You can. Just cut out a fold-over. I call these fold-over patterns because there's no seam stitch. Shoulder seam is what I'm trying to spit out here. They have these patterns free online that are dresses, and it is a simple dress that you just finish your edges and then fold over and sew together, turn inside out, and you have a little dress. You're not going to be able to, if you are a beginner sewer, you are not going to be able to make a big fancy Blythe outfit, without a doubt. But you can make a cute little gathered skirt. I pull out fabric. This is a new doll. She's getting a face up. This is Peaches. And a lot of times I match my fabrics to their hair, which is especially important for Birdie. She has kind of different hair and not everything's going to match. In fact, I thought this would, and I'm not so keen on it. I was hoping this would, and I might go ahead and use it anyway because I like the peacock feathers. But sometimes you have to match your fabrics to their hair, and that's part of the fun. This outfit, this was a leg from a pair of leggings that I bought for 50 cents at a garage sale. I like the colors. Laid my doll down, made a pattern, just went around her legs, and then I crocheted this. If I can do it, you can do it. Start slow, start simple. Use this September as School Days for yourself. If you homeschool, it's a great time to teach your children to sew with you. Who knows, maybe they'll be better than you and make you doll clothes. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.